ये एक ऐसी इंसान है जिसने पूरे पाकिस्तान में नहीं पूरी दुनिया में पसूड़ी मचा कर रखी हुई है. None other than Shay Gill.
Hello.
So your real name is Anushe.
Yeah, Shay is from Anushe. Anushe though is a Parsi word.
राहत फ़तेह अली खान या चाहत फ़तेह अली खान?
चाहत फ़तेह अली खान.
No way. Dude, मैंने सुना है उन्होंने पसूड़ी का भी कवर किया है. जिनका दिल टूटता है वो बहुत अच्छे सिंगर बन सकते हैं. क्या ये सच है और क्या शे के साथ ऐसा हुआ है कभी?
जिंदगी है कितनी हंसी है फिर भी कहीं अजब तन्हाई कैसी वीरानियां.
Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another fun episode of Sunsilk Presents Girls Only. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट दानिनी मुबीन और आज के शो में बहुत सारा फन होने वाला है. बट बिफोर दैट हम आज एक हेयर मिथ बर्स्ट करेंगे या वो मिथ ट्रू है ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे. मिथ ये है कि फॉइल पेपर यूज करके आप अपने बाल स्मूथ कर सकते हैं. अब देखते हैं ये ट्रू है या फॉल्स है. वैसे तो हमारी नानियाँ दादियाँ बाल स्मूथ करने के लिए बहुत सारे घरेलू टोटके करती थी विच ऑलवेज वर्कड. लेकिन आजकल टाइम ही किधर होता है. जैसे हमारी नानियाँ दादियाँ रोज़मेरी आर्गन ऑयल इन चीज़ों को इनकॉर्पोरेट करके तेल बना के हमारे बाल स्मूथ करती थी. मेरे पास उसका एक बहुत ही कन्वीनियंट सोल्यूशन है विच इज़ द सनसिल्क थिक एंड लॉन्ग शैम्पू जिसमें विटामिन्स प्रोटीन्स एंड ऑयल्स की ताकत मौजूद है. So let's find out कि फॉइल पेपर यूज करके आपके बाल स्मूथ होते हैं या नहीं. And for that we're gonna call in our amazing Saima. Saima, आ जाए. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good.
अच्छा ये मिथ है.
हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं.
ट्राई करके
Yeah.
देखते हैं. Let's see what the result is. Oh wow. So it actually worked.
Yes, yes.
Wow, Saima, you can actually smoothen your hair with foil paper.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much, Saima.
You're welcome.
All right. चलिए चलते हैं बाकी के एपिसोड की तरफ. So today's episode is most likely going to be like a beautiful melody क्योंकि आज की हमारी गेस्ट को इंट्रोडक्शन की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. ये एक ऐसी इंसान है जिसने पूरे पाकिस्तान में नहीं पूरी दुनिया में पसूड़ी मचा कर रखी हुई है. I absolutely adore her. None other than Shay Gill.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am great. I am so excited to have you on our Girls Only set. We're gonna dive in straight to the questions. Okay, Shay, हमें पता चला है कि आप हमारे लिए all the way लाहौर से fly in करके आई हैं. That is so sweet of you. Thank you so much for putting in the effort.
Of course.
We are so
My
grateful
pleasure.
to have you on our set. लाहौर का मौसम कैसा था?
अब तो बहुत अच्छा हो गया actually.
Really?
Like, हाँ,
Better
जब
than
आने से
Karachi?
पहले. अब तो यार लाहौर ही हो गई हूँ. अब तो हो गई हूँ. But I did spend like the first 10 years of my life in Karachi.
Okay, so I got to know a very interesting fact just a little while ago. You are Anushe. This entire time मुझे लग रहा था कि उनका नाम शे है. So your real name is Anushe.
Yeah.
So what's the meaning and how did you get this nickname?
Shay is from Anushe. Anushe though is a Parsi word, which a friend of mine, उसकी अम्मी like वो Persian word, वो she's Persian. तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि it actually means immortal and like good luck and good fortune and you know stuff of the sort.
Incredible.
So Shay though is just like an abbreviation. There's this person who a friend of mine from university, he just walked in one day and he was like, "You look like Shay from Game of Thrones," which is not a good thing because I heard she's not a very respectable character. But yeah, that's where it came up from. And then like it was just a really catchy nickname. So like my friends started calling me Shay. And then my best friend Iman and I, we were just sitting in our hostel room trying to, you know, think of something. And she was like, "Why don't we go with like Shay Gill?" And that's just how it
And that
came
is
about.
how the legacy started. Okay, lovely. Shay, इतनी young age में you've collaborated with such incredible artists. How does it feel?
Dude, honestly, I'm so grateful. मुझे यकीन नहीं होता कभी कभार कि मेरी जिंदगी ये है. मैंने प्लान ही नहीं किया था, बस मैं पहुंच गई यहाँ पे. So I'm just super grateful to God.
That brings me to my next question. How was your experience working with Ali Sethi. I personally absolutely love him.
Dude, same. Like, I have had the biggest crush on him, honestly, which is why I was so nervous when I, like, you know, first met him, because
Yeah.
he's such an amazing personality.
I
Like,
know.
he's talented. He can sing, you know, in such an incredible way. And then the knowledge that he has, dude.
Yeah, just to
And
be
also,
around
like,
him, na?
He studied from Harvard, okay? Like, that's intimidating.
That is
dude.
one
That's
incredible
very
person.
intimidating. So just to, like, see him in person and, you know, speak to him, it was a huge honor.
और फिर इतनी खूबसूरत collaboration, इतने different languages में dub हुई है. How do you feel about that?
Dude, बस बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ खुदा की कि like इतना प्यार मिला है हर किसी से.
Right? That's, I mean, this is something I've never heard before कि एक गाना इतने सारे languages में dub हुआ है.
बिल्कुल.
Incredible.
Thank you.
We're all super proud of you here.
Thank you.
इतनी प्यारी आवाज, इतनी फीलिंग आवाज में लोग कहते हैं कि जिनका दिल टूटता है वो बहुत अच्छे सिंगर बन सकते हैं. क्या ये सच है? और क्या शे के साथ ऐसा हुआ है कभी?
नहीं, I think it's just a stereotype.
Yeah?
दिल तो सभी का टूटता है कभी ना कभी, किसी ना किसी तरीके में.
That's
So I don't
right.
think that qualifies.
True. So what is Shay's story in becoming a singer?
Very accidental.
Okay.
Honestly, because मैंने तो सोचा था यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ूंगी economics, economist बनूंगी और बस 9 to 5 job.
Really?
And I actually used to fantasize it like कि wow मैं रोज सूट पहन के जाया करूंगी, briefcase होगा मेरे हाथ में, you know वो full जो corporate job का होता नहीं आपके दिमाग में. I wanted that. I used to, you know, like be like wow that's so cool.
Okay.
But then I don't know, I just started this thing with Iman and it was just for fun honestly.
But how did you start? कहाँ पे शुरू किया? कैसे
यार
शुरू
we
किया?
used to live in the hostel together. हम दोनों same floor पे रहते थे and हम लोग असल में we were taking this English class where we became really great friends. Great friends से फिर हम लोग best friends बन गए. We started spending so much time together. और because मैं गाती तो थी ही वैसे ही, तो उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था. She'd be like कि लगाओ ना Instagram पे, क्यों नहीं दिखाती तुम किसी
तो आप
को?
बचपन से वैसी randomly गाती थी. So you were basically like a bathroom singer.
No, I have sung on stage in school.
Oh.
But
Okay.
but मतलब मैंने seriously नहीं कभी
कभी
लिया
सोचा
इसको.
नहीं कि मैं singer
सोचा ही
बनूंगी?
नहीं. मतलब बचपन में था लेकिन होता है ना brown parents का कि भाई डॉक्टर बनना है, इस तरह की कोई
Lawyer, doctor,
या economist, engineer इस तरह की चीजें. तो बस मैंने दिमाग से ही निकाल दी थी ये बात.
Okay.
But yeah, then when I wasn't planning on doing it,
Uh-huh.
it just came to me naturally.
Yeah. And then you started uploading on Instagram
Yeah,
and then
Iman started uploading it on Instagram.
Oh, that's
I didn't
so
even have the password to it, dude.
no way.
Yeah, मेरे पास तो
So
password नहीं
हमें
था.
शे गिल के करियर का क्रेडिट
Iman.
ईमान को देना चाहिए, who's
Yes.
your best friend.
Yeah.
ईमान, thank you so much. आपने इतना incredible gem हमारे लिए निकाला.
बहुत खुश होगी सुन
Even
के.
though she never wanted to, but
Yeah.
thanks to you, now we have Shay Gill representing Pakistan on international levels and making us
That means
proud.
so
Thank you
much.
so much. Guys, now it is time to take a healthy Lipton green tea break. I will see you guys right after. Guys, you have no idea मुझे ग्रीन टी कितनी ज़्यादा पसंद है. और वैसे तो टेस्ट इसका बहुत ही मज़े का होता है और आज मैं जेस्टी लेमन एंड हनी फ्लेवर पी रही हूँ which is my favorite. But it has so much flavonoid content that 2 cups of green tea every day, इसमें इतना flavonoid content होता है that it's equal to a whole bowl of broccoli. Isn't that absolutely amazing? और फ्लेवोनॉइड्स के काफ़ी सारे हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स भी होते हैं जैसे एंटी एजिंग, आपकी एनर्जी अच्छी रहती है, आपका मूड अच्छा रहता है. So 2 cups every day for a healthy living. Fit रहने के लिए what is something that you normally do? Like what is something that you just do casually to stay in shape?
I think when you're like running errands or like when you're working, you just do automatically lose weight. But
Movement काफी हो जाती है
yeah,
ना?
movement काफी हो जाती है. But before that, I used to like play a lot of sports, so maybe that's why I've always been like
Fit.
athletic. Yeah.
Lovely. Thank you for such an incredible segment. Now we're gonna move on to our next segment, which is called the plushie segment. अच्छा, अब इसमें होगा ये कि मैं आपको एक plushie दूंगी और उसके साथ साथ मैं आपको artists के नाम बताऊंगी और आपने मुझे ये बताना है कि आपकी अगर उनके साथ lives swap हो जाती तो आप happy होती या sad.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Let's bring in the plushie. First is Anurul Khalid. Okay. I'm a Beg. Hassan Rahim.
Sure.
Momina Mustahsin.
Yeah.
Shazia Khushk.
I don't know who Shazia Khushk is. So maybe this, because I don't know.
You don't know who she is? Farish Shafi.
I don't know how rap and I would sound because it's very badass and I'm not badass. At least my music isn't.
पता है क्या?
In person I could be.
Shay, you would sound incredible if you rapped. You need to give it a try. I mean, just
Really?
I mean, off record advice, you would be
Okay.
incredible.
Okay,
yeah.
done.
Natasha Noorani.
Yes.
Tahir Shah. Salim Javed.
I don't know who Salim Javed is either.
Chahat Fateh Ali Khan.
Oh yes, yeah.
Oh yeah, 100%, dude. Next collaboration हमारे शो पे announce हो रही है शेगिल की next collaboration with चाहत फतेह अली खान. Please stay tuned to find out more. Hassan Jahangir. Talha Yunus. Okay, incredible. Okay, that brings us to our next segment, which is called the Gen Z lingo. Shay, मैं आपको कुछ words बताऊंगी, which are Gen Z lingo, और आपने मुझे बताना है कि उनका मतलब क्या है.
Okay, dude. So I'm like at the very start of Gen Z.
Okay.
So I don't really
But
count.
you're there. You're
But I'm
somewhat
98,
there.
right? So it's like the very beginning. Like हमसे शुरू हुआ है.
Okay, so the founder of Gen Z. Let's find out उनको कितना पता है.
Yeah.
Okay, first word is, if I get to the next card, Gucci.
Like it's good. It's okay. Yeah.
It's Gucci.
It's Gucci.
It's Gucci.
Yeah.
Ship.
Like when you want two people to be together.
Yes. Clout.
Clout, like when you obviously when you want clout, when you want fame.
Yeah. Okay. Wavy.
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 Damn. Okay, I don't know what wavy means.
Think about it. Guess.
Wavy.
So like it's.
trying to
I'm
like-
super wavy right now.
Like okay, like chill.
Yes,
Okay,
there
okay.
you
Okay,
go. Good
nice.
job.
Thank you.
BWB.
BWB.
Yeah. A lot of Gen Zs are BWB today.
God, I have no idea.
So true.
I genuinely don't know what is BWB.
Busy without work. Okay. Bougie.
Bougie means like fancy.
NGL.
Not gonna lie.
Ooh. Zumped.
Zumped. Zumped? Nah, I don't know.
She got zumped.
Dumped?
He got zumped in a cafe.
Stuck? Shit, I don't know.
3 more guesses. Zumped. He got zumped. यार उसने तो उसको जंप कर दिया.
Blocked?
उर्दू में भी Gen Z बोल सकते हैं.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता यार.
नहीं?
Sorry, नहीं.
So
Fail हो गई मैं.
it's zumped means being dumped.
मैंने dump बोला था.
नहीं, but on video call or through Zoom. Specifically
My God.
through
Okay,
a
alright.
video calling
Okay.
interface.
Wow.
Yes. Doom scrolling. We were just talking about this.
We doom scroll all the time.
Yeah.
Like when you are scrolling so much and it's for hours and then you feel really bad at the end of it.
Yeah, and also because आप हर तरह की information और
Yeah.
news
It's
collect कर रहे
overload,
होते हैं,
dude,
तो
like
it's like
it's
an
sensory
your
overload,
brain
yeah.
goes into like this
Yeah.
sensory overload.
Yeah.
सब कुछ आ जाता है.
Yeah.
Okay, great job, dude. Founder of Gen Z knows 90
Yes.
out of 100. Great job. अच्छा शे, कोई ऐसा टाइपो या कोई ऐसा मैसेज आपने भेज दिया हो किसी गलत बंदे को, भेजना कहीं और था, चला कहीं और गया हो, that you still regret to this day?
ऐसा कोई मैसेज नहीं भेजा, but there was this conversation that I was once having with someone. I don't even remember who now, but I wanted to show Iman, so I took a screenshot and I wanted to send it to Iman, but I sent it to the very same person. And
Death.
I was just-
Dude, that is death for me. तो
Yeah.
no, this is genuinely
Yeah,
terrifying.
yeah, I know.
कि आप
But then-
क्योंकि मतलब इसका कोई और हल नहीं है ना, मतलब इसको जिसको भेजा है अगर
But
उसने
then you
देख
say
लिया.
something like, "Look at what you said." I was just
Oh,
summing
that's
up the
so
story.
smart.
You know, you're like,
Guys, this is a
See what
hack.
you did?
अगर आप किसी की स्क्रीनशॉट किसी को भेजना चाहते हो, अगर उसी को ही भेज दी ना, तो अगले उनको बोल दे कि देखिए, ओ अब देख रहे हैं मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से ये कैसा लग रहा है. Gaslight the other person. What is Shay's red flag in a friendship?
when they don't give you space to talk, where you're only there for their problems and they're not there for you. Because कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं बस अपना ही बोली जाएंगे.
Narcissistic,
And they don't have space to
self-centered.
listen to you.
It's very important to be heard.
Yeah.
What is your daily affirmation? But there's a catch. आपने हमें गा के सुनाना है.
Okay. It's on my phone and
Okay.
it says I'm the luckiest girl in the world.
Yes, you are, but
I mean, it's a good way to like feel positive about everything.
of course, it's a good perspective. लेकिन
Yeah.
आपने हमें गा के सुनाना है.
I'm the luckiest girl in the world.
Oh my God, that was beautiful. Guys, imagine इतना talented होना कि आप एक छोटी सी line गा के सुनाओ and it sounds like that.
Thank you.
Incredible. अच्छा, next segment पे जाने से पहले मेरी एक personal request है शे से. I'm gonna utilize my host rights here and देखो तुम्हारा एक गाना है which I have listened to probably more than any song this year. सुकून. It is my absolute favorite और मैं कभी भी किसी भी mood किसी भी vibe में मैं सुन सकती हूँ.
Really? Oh, that's really
Honestly,
sweet.
like if you could sing just a tad bit for me.
जिंदगी है कितनी हंसी है फिर भी कहीं अजब तन्हाई कैसी ये वीरानियां चुपके से ये मुझसे कहे अगन दिल की सुलग जाने दे कैसी ये वीरानियां.
I could listen to her all day. That was incredible. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, guys. That brings me to my next segment, which is a rapid fire round. Things are gonna get a little bit spicy.
Okay.
मैं आपको कुछ words बताऊंगी और आपने कुछ questions पूछूंगी और आपने मुझे उसका जल्दी जल्दी जवाब देना है.
ठीक है.
Right.
लेकिन माइंड यू मैं थोड़ा सा वो स्टक हो जाती हूँ. जैसी आपसे कोई पूछता है आपका फेवरेट कलर क्या है या व्हाट्स योर
Blank.
फेवरेट शो,
Blank.
you're like shit. क्या था
मेरा
नाम
है भी
क्या है?
कोई
What is
favorite
it?
color?
Yeah, exactly.
I know, but listen, this is a true test. It has to be
Okay.
quick. Okay?
Okay.
First question. If your life was a music genre, what would it be?
Probably musical.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. अगर आपको 3 female singers का girl band form करना हो, तो कौन-कौन होगा squad में?
Damn, they're all so incredible.
Just 3.
But
Top 3.
okay, Anural, Natasha Noorani, and QB.
Listen, people who can make this happen, if you're watching this show, please make this happen. हमें इन चारों को इकट्ठा देखना है in some collaboration because these women are absolutely incredible. If you had to describe your singing style in one emoji, what would it be?
I have to describe my own singing. ये तो फिर
Yes.
in one emoji.
हाँ.
My God, because it's not like roses and all. It's a little husky, you know.
Okay.
Or should I like the husky dog? Is there a husky dog emoji?
No, I think there is a husky. No, there's not a husky. I
Because
think.
it's just I think it's husky.
Yeah.
It's not very like meaty nahi hai.
Yeah.
Is it, you know?
It's
Okay.
like.
There's a rasp in there.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
maybe a raspberry.
A raspberry.
A raspberry.
Okay.
There we
so
go.
to like describe her, it's a raspberry.
It's a raspberry.
Lovely. Anushay or Shay?
यार जो आपका दिल करे.
Okay, I love Shay. Okay, Junoon या strings?
Strings.
Talha Yunus या Talha Anjum?
Tala Yunus.
Okay. राहत फ़तेह अली खान या चाहत फ़तेह अली खान?
चाहत फ़तेह अली खान.
No way. Dude, मैंने सुना है उन्होंने पसूरी का भी कवर किया है.
मेरे दिमाग में भी सिर्फ आए हाय ओए ओए आ रहा है.
Oh my God, what a legend, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, Shay, I'm gonna give you 2 lines और आपने मुझे 1 by 1 दोनों की बहुत मजे की मेलोडी बना के देनी है, ठीक है?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, let's go. पहली लाइन है, मुझे दाल चावल नहीं, चिकन टिक्का खाना है.
मुझे दाल चावल नहीं, चिकन टिक्का चाहिए.
Ooh, okay. Second line is, I don't know who you are, but I am Shay Gill.
I don't know who you are, but I'm Shay Gill.
Ooh, amazing. Shay, अपनी जिंदगी से या अपने लाइफस्टाइल से कोई बहुत अनरॉकस्टार चीज शेयर करें.
मैं खाना बनाती हूँ देसी बहुत सारा और हर तरीके का आता है.
What is Shay's favorite thing to cook?
Honestly, because it's super easy, दाल.
Ah,
बाकी भी बहुत obviously पसंद है लेकिन उसमें थोड़ी मेहनत लगती है. But because it's the easiest, दाल चावल.
दाल चावल, अचार
Yeah.
के साथ,
अचार के साथ. Oh my God! And then
cucumber
lemon.
salad. I know what I'm
Amazing.
having after this show. Shay, पसूरी के हिट होने के बाद आपकी fan base has increased stupendously. How are you adjusting to so many people being your fans and followers?
I wouldn't say it's stupendous,
Okay.
but a lot more than I did have before. And honestly, I'm just so grateful. Like, मुझे यकीन ही नहीं आता. But I will say कि like the more people that know you and the more followers you have, the more criticism and hate also you get beach में, obviously, because you know.
I mean, you're exposed to a
Yeah,
lot more people,
a lot more,
and people
but-
feel entitled to say.
Yeah, but super grateful.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely. आपका कोई ऐसा hidden talent जो आपकी audience को ना पता हो?
I used to be a gymnast when I was a kid.
No way.
अब तो मतलब बहुत time हो गया है.
So
But-
you used to do acrobats?
Yeah, like I could do the bridge and I could, do the split
wow.
and somersaults, front flips, back flips, all of that.
So do you still do it? Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while, but obviously, like if you get into practice, so ho hi jata hai.
Okay.
Yeah, I could do that.
What is Shay's way of handling and dealing with negativity or negative comments on the internet?
Honestly, kabhi kabhar bahut gussa chadta hai. You're like, oh, I'm gonna. But then you have to be like, no, you're a public figure. You have to be nice.
You have to be
So just
demure. You have to be
demure.
mindful.
So you just ignore. You're like, okay, fine. It's all right. Honestly, criticism, I'm okay with criticism. I'm like,
Constructive criticism
I'm
is
like,
always
please
welcome.
give me feedback. If I'm not singing well, that's okay. But then there are some people
Baseless hate is
that
never
give
welcome.
hate speech that
Yeah.
like bully you as a person.
Yeah.
That's not
मतलब
okay.
जिसका कोई सर पैर नहीं होता and people just take out your
Yep.
frustration. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. कभी रोना आया है? कोई ऐसा comment पढ़ा हो which was like, dude, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया.
Rona to nahi aaya tha, but I was really like, upset over this thing that somebody wrote. This was Jessie Pasuri release hua tha, tab ki baat hai. Some comment that, like she had to go through like some certain things in order to get a place in Coke Studio. And
I
was like,
think ये लड़कियों को
Why do they
if
have
you
to
see
think
any
that's-
woman succeeding, that's the
Yeah.
first stereotype that your
I was like,
mind
what
goes
is
to
this?
because you have to dilute
Yeah.
them. हमने hate comments की तो बात कर दी है, लेकिन एक ऐसा comment जिसकी वजह से शे का दिन बन गया हो.
There have been so many, honestly. Like where they tell me they've been going through a lot and, they listen to my songs or my covers and it makes them feel okay.
Oh, that's so
It gets them
sweet.
through it. So that's just like such a special thing to feel.
So that makes you feel connected to your fan base. Like
Yeah,
it makes
बहुत
you
ज़्यादा.
feel like,
बिल्कुल.
okay, these people really, truly
Yeah.
are there for
And
me.
then it gives me like purpose, like it's not just for me, it's for them.
एक drive है ना, फिर you're like, okay,
Yes.
मतलब मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो matter करता है.
Absolutely.
लोग सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं. Sweet, sweet. शे गिल ने कभी अपनी फेम का नाजायज फायदा उठाया है, कहीं डिस्काउंट्स लेके या कभी फ्री मील्स खा के?
नहीं, बल्कि मैं कहती हूँ please let me pay because I'm just like I don't know, I just don't want them.
You don't
give
want to
me a
take
favor.
extra benefit of the
Yeah, I
fact
don't
that
want any
okay,
favors.
yeah, you can, yeah. मतलब जो normally लोग कर रहे हैं, जैसे आप क्यू में खड़े हो, just
Yeah.
because you're famous, you
Yeah.
shouldn't be allowed to cut to the
Yeah,
first
yeah, exactly.
person of the queue. True. Moving on to our next segment, which is the game segment, and we will see you guys right across. Alright guys, now on to our gaming segment. शे, हमारी गेम्स हमारे पीछे पड़ी हैं, ठीक है? ये एक ट्रे है. अब इस गेम का सीन ये है कि इसमें बॉल्स पड़ी हैं कलरफुल एंड देन देयर इज वन ब्लैक बॉल. आपने इन सारे कलरफुल बॉल्स को इस होल के थ्रू लेके जाना है एक्सेप्ट दिस ब्लैक वन. ठीक है? बट वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ राउंड ऑफ 3, सो बेस्ट ऑफ 3 विंस. कुछ नहीं मिलेगा जीतने पे, बट a win is a win.
A win is a
A
win.
win is a win. So ready?
Okay. Just
Ready
do
whenever
this.
you are. Ready to lose?
Oh, I'm scared. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2 and 3. मेरा ना record बहुत बुरा रहा है इस गेम का. So I'm hoping to revive myself today.
Wait, 3.
Wow, great job, Shay.
तुम्हारा निकल गया black.
नहीं?
Wait, I did it. Woo!
Woo!
Yay!
Yay! Okay, guys, round 2, which I'm going to win.
अच्छा कर रहे हैं आप start. निकल गया black वाला फिर से.
ये मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है?
दाना नहीं, लड़की, कोई बात नहीं. Third round. Wait, second.
क्या हुआ?
Let me get it. Done.
इतनी कोशिश के बाद भी वो नहीं आ रही यार. Okay, it's okay. हमारे पास एक और round है, round 3. Okay, guys, round 3, and inshallah, I'm going to win this. Start. Oh, I got it. I got it this time. I got it 100%. I got it 100%. That was too close. Oh no! Oh no! 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 ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता।
वो भी निकल गया फिर से ब्लैक वाला।
हाँ,
कोई बात नहीं।
ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है यार? गेम के रूल्स चेंज। जो अगर आखिर में ब्लैक बॉल रह गया तो वो हार गया।
एक सेकेंड,
हार गई शेगिल।
तो निकाल के होंगे सारे। यस,
एंड शी लॉस्ट इट।
ये आखिर में हुआ ये।
गया नीचे।
ये
Lost
तो
it.
नहीं
Oh
भाई।
my god.
Foul, referee foul.
Ouch, guys. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this amazing episode. Thank you so much, Shay.
I had so much fun.
Oh my god, I absolutely loved having you. Your presence was incredible. I had so much fun, and I'm so excited for people to see who actually Shay Gill really is, or should I say Anu Shay Gill. All right, I will see you guys in another fun episode of Sunsilk Presents Girls Only. So see you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.